Hello traders, welcome back. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. And come on, England, we are through to the final of the European Championships. Well done, lads. You did it. We're through. Got to play Spain. We're going to beat them. But back to trading, guys. Yeah, welcome to the daily review, right? This is where we look back at yesterday's trades, Wednesday, the 10th of July. And if you stay till the end of the vid, you'll know which trades I did and didn't take and for what reasons as well. All right, so let's begin the review. And the first trade that we took yesterday was Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. Right, so this is the day chart because this always gives me my direction, guys. And as you can see, we were ranging between here and here. And as soon as we got a break with this big candle, big bullish candle here, we were looking for buys, right? So we're in an uptrend, broken a key resistance level. And then all I'm doing, guys, is waiting for the next candle, daily candle, that tells me I can enter. So we're in an uptrend, and then this candle, yeah, which is bullish-ish. Yeah, this tells me I can start buying Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, right? And that was the idea. And as you can see, you know, it's looking good so far. So if we drop down to the H4 now, let's start with the H1 because this was the entry time frame, right? And really, we have been in this. Just this box of indecision. Really, this is like a range, really, right? But then when we got this break here, yeah, so this candle specifically here is the candle I entered on, right? I entered here because if you just look at structure at this point, H1 is in an uptrend, right? And we get a break out of this box of indecision, right? Only just, but it does break, you know, all of these last highs in here and this high here. We're in an uptrend. So I entered here and put my stop below here, right? And then price still wanted to come back down to these lows, right? You can see that. But look at the reaction we've had since then. You know, price has just flown off that level. And, you know, we want to see this. We've got 8 minutes till this hourly candle finishes. But if we break these highs, you know, things are looking good, guys. And looks like we have room to the upside. All right. So, yeah, the reason for entry, H1, you know, uptrend, broke out of this grey box of indecision, entered, protect yourself by putting your stop below the lows, you know, and we're looking to take price higher. The next trade was gold. You are gold. Apologies, I have to sing every time we look at gold. We was already in this trade, right? But again, we were looking for buys. Yeah, we was in this, was at this trend line. We broke this trend line. So at this point, we broke this trend line. We broke all of these highs here. And even here, we broke this high, okay, with this candle here, right? So at that point, we are, you know, seriously looking for buys. We're in an uptrend. And then again, I'm just looking for the next candle that tells me that I can buy. This one doesn't, obviously, very bearish. But then we get a candle followed like this, holding at this level, right? And we were looking for buys as a result, right? Now, if we drop down to the H1, this again was really the entry time frame. And I just did exactly what I said I would do in my analysis vid, right? We were waiting for a break of this grey zone, right? Because price had reacted here many times, right? And we got a break with this candle here. Okay, so I was already in this trade, but this would be the entry. We just start buying here. Yeah, put our stop below these potential lows here and here, right? Yeah, so enter here, we get the break, protect yourself below the moving average 20 and put yourself below these lows, right? And look to take price back up to this high. And that's exactly what we were doing, guys, right? But then we have Fed Chair Powell was testifying, okay? And he was testifying in this area here, right? So I just took some profit off of the trade, right? We was in nice profit up here, and I got out. I took 60% of my trade at 238,450, right? So around here. Yeah, I closed 60% of my trade, and I'm still in this trade for 40%. And if we look at the H4, guys, it's still looking good, right? If we just look at H4 structure, remember we were looking for a break of that grey zone. We clearly get it. What was once resistance, when it comes back down, becomes support. Yeah, we see that pattern time and time again. We love this pattern. We get a nice bullish reaction on this H4. This is looking good as well, guys, all right, to take price higher. So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, and gold, both good trades, right? And there was also Euro Aussie dollar we was looking at as well. Before I show you Euro Aussie dollar, guys, if you would like to speak to like-minded traders and share ideas, then please come join our trading community, our free Discord channel. If you would like a bit more than that, and you would like my trade signals, you would like numerous tutorials on things that I've learned, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy as well. And also, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access to these things and discounts. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. Yeah, we was also looking at Euro Aussie dollar yesterday, guys, right? We was in a downtrend stroke range, right? So we was in this downtrend, right? And we had this nice bearish candle. The problem was I was up late watching the England game, is that we were at support already, right? But if you look at the weekly chart, guys, there's nothing but free air. We've had a nice bearish reaction, and there's nothing but free air back down to this support. So I still think Euro Aussie dollar is going to make it down to this level, right? Just looking at the weekly chart. If we zoom in, just look at those candles. Look at that rejection we're getting at this level, right? Sellers are in control. Back to the day chart. Yeah, just no room to move into, right? So on the H4, I was looking for a bit of a retrace, right? I was looking for a retrace back up to here, which never came. So I didn't take this trade, right? And there was no room here for me to take a trade either. All right, guys. So that is the trade review of Wednesday, the 10th of July. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please come and subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. And I'll see you later for the live stream.